Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make crispy corn recipe. Quick and easy to make at home. It can be served as a tea time snack or as an evening snack. It tastes very similar to the crispy corn at BBQ Nation. Let's get started. I have taken 1.5 cup boiled corn. Drain out the water completely. This is store-bought corn. If you get fresh corn, just boil them for 2 minutes. Drain out the water and add. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Do not add all of this at a time. Add 2 tablespoons now. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Combine all of this well. Do not add water. Moisture in the corn is sufficient to mix the flour. Now add the remaining 2 tablespoons corn flour. If your corn is very dry, then add a tablespoon of water, not more than that. Mix well. Corn should be coated well with the flour. In the end, it should look like this. Flour is coated well. Keep it aside. Heat oil for frying. Bring the flame to medium-high heat. Add a little corn at a time and fry them so that they will fry evenly. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they are golden brown. Whole grain corn is as healthy as any cereal grain, and it's rich in fiber and many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Corn is fried very well, nice and crisp. Remove it from the pan, transfer to a tissue plate. Let's add the spices to it. 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, also called cumin, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, some salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, give it a nice mix. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and sprinkle some coriander leaves. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!